Welcome back to Homemaking with Mima. If you are new here, my name is Wendy, and in today's video, it's going to be what we've eaten for dinner. So this video is going to just be a short video. I'm going to link in the description box below the videos that I have done as far as some frugal meals that I had done for the month earlier. And I hope all of these meals are helpful and give someone some ideas of what to have for dinner.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in.
So I am doing other projects today, and I want an easy meal for myself. And it is cool out, it's soup and stew and chili season. So I am going to do up some chili in the crock pot, and I'm going to put it into the small one. So here's my chili base without the beans, and here's my kidney beans. I took a large one out. I'm only going to put beans in one of these small crock pots, as my daughter really doesn't care for the beans. But I'm eating that soup, that cabbage soup, and I want more beans in that, or meat. And since I'm opening up the beans, it's going to be more beans. So that's what I'm going to do with the rest of them. But I am going to drain these. And still sounded good. They smell good. All right, so I'm going to get these drained, rinsed off, and we'll get this all figured out. Okay, so I have the beans are drained, and smelling the chili, smells good. I'm going to give it a good stir before I divide it up. Oh, I just made a mess all over myself. So there is a fat cap on here. I'm just going to keep that in there. Give this a stir. Clean myself up. I am going to be doing laundry tomorrow, so I guess my apron is going to be going in there. I'm not doing it today. Okay, so I'm going to put probably about that much. I'll take that fat cap out because she'll gross out if she knows it's in there. I have a couple other pieces of the fat cap that they're going to stay in. All right, so I'm going to get the rest of this chili into here. And then half of these beans. Maybe more than half. There we go. Get this stirred up. This one will be my husband and I's, and this one will be my daughter's. All right, I'm gonna get these into the sleeves, turn it on low, and they're gonna be cooking for me all day, and dinner is gonna be done. All we need to do is just get some crackers and that, and we'll have supper will be ready. Okay, so you see that I got the taco dips done. This one's my daughter's, and this one is my husband and I's. And hopefully this lasts for tomorrow's dinner, because I don't have anything planned. I want to just kind of eat whatever's in the refrigerator. But more than likely, my husband will take some of this for lunch, and that's okay. Then he doesn't have to worry about buying a lunch, because that's the whole point, is trying to save some money. So, yep, today's taco version of taco dip. Use what I had on hand. For supper tonight, my husband and I, because my daughter is going out to eat and she doesn't really care for this kind of supper. We're going to have cabbage, onions, kielbasa. I'm going to cut up small, and let me get, I've got some canned potatoes. I've got 2 of them. I know they don't look the greatest, but they're still good. And this is all going to get cooked up together. And I'm just going to bring you along for what I can for bits and pieces of it. I'm going to cook the onions in bacon fat probably, and then add the cabbage, or no. I'll cook up the kielbasa, pull some of the fats out of that. How's that? Yeah, that's what I'll do. Then add the onions, then add the cabbage, and then add the potatoes as well. And I've got 2 jars of potatoes that I'm going to be using up. I'm going to get this all prepped up, put it in the refrigerator, so that way then, right before supper time, then I can get it started. That way then I can do whatever extra dishes before dinner. So I just like to do that. Okay, so I'm going to get this kielbasa cut up as well. And I know this knife is really huge, but the cabbage was really tight, and I couldn't have any other knife to help me cut that cabbage in half anyway. And I thought, okay, you know what? I'm not going to dirty another knife. So, hence, this is why I got such a big knife. Because I don't need such a big knife for this, but I'm using it because it's already dirty. So I'm going to be cutting the kielbasa into like bite-sized pieces like that. Like I said, I'm putting everything in the refrigerator, so when it comes time to get it ready, then it's just there for me. And I can get all these dishes done, and I won't have them come, after supper. I'll just have supper dishes. All right, this is a lot of kielbasa. So with the kielbasa, the cabbage, the 2 jars of potatoes that I'm going to be having, and I only have a half an onion cut up into, like half moon size, whatever. This is going to be plenty. It's going to feed my husband and I tonight, and we're going to have plenty of leftovers. So if you wanted to make this for a family of definitely 4, it would feed it. Half a cabbage, depending on the size of your cabbage, 1 ring of kielbasa or summer sausage, whatever you want to use. And you can use turkey. We have the pork, the Polish kielbasa that's made out of the pork. And onion, potato. You could feed a lot of people. You could feed a lot of people. Okay, so anyway, I'm going to get this in the refrigerator. want to thank you folks so much for joining me today for this video. If you like this kind of content, please subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up, share with family and friends, and I want you folks to make it a really great day.